Hi guys, have you ever struggled to take good pictures of moving objects or action sequences or some sport where things are moving very fast? Or sometimes you have taken a photograph of a group or someone, and when the photographs come out you see that the eyes of that person are closed. Now this is common, it happens to almost everyone. There is an easy solution to it, that's called burst mode. And today's tutorial shall be about how to use burst mode on an iPhone 11 Pro Max using iOS 14. Let's get going. So my camera application is open and I am on the photo mode. So when I take a photograph, I'll be constantly blinking my eyes so that you can appreciate how the burst mode helps. Okay, so when you want to take a burst mode, what you do is you drag the white button to the left, and once you finish you just lift your finger up and all those photographs will go into your photos application. So let's do it now. So you saw the number was going up. I can now go to my photos application and you see that on the top left it says burst and 16 photos. That actually tells us how many photographs were taken by the burst mode. So I will select this now. It will select 16 photographs. It will show us 16 photographs. And if you scroll through them, you will see my eyes in different modes like closed or open. Most of them seem to be closed. But here you see the eyes are fully open and again it's closed. So I can choose the photograph that I think is good. So in this case I'll choose this photograph and it will show us the blue tick, tells us that we have selected that, and then top right of your screen you tap on done. It will ask you, do you want to keep everything or you want to just keep the one you favorited. I'll just keep the one which I favorited. So you see the eyes are open and the photograph is in good focus, and this is how useful a burst mode can be in an action sequence. So this is how burst mode is so helpful. Okay guys, now is the time for a bonus tip, a really useful bonus tip. So as I said earlier that you have to use that white button right in the middle of the screen to the left to take a photograph. Sometimes can be quite difficult using your two hands. So the bonus tip is that you can actually use the volume up button on the left of your iPhone to take burst photographs or use the burst mode. For that you'll need to go to the settings. In the settings you go to camera. Here it is. So you go to camera and then somewhere in the middle you will see use volume up for burst. You can off it. If you off it, then the button will actually take a movie or just click a shot, but it's useful to bring it towards the right so that you can use the volume up button for burst photographs. In that case you don't have to press the white button, you just press the volume up button and it will take the burst shot. I hope this is useful. In my hands I found it very useful, and I'm sure you're also going to find this bonus pro tip very useful. I hope this tutorial helps and you keep using this burst mode wherever it is required. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do press the like button, and also if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my new videos which I upload I'll be uploading them quite often. Take care, stay healthy. Adios.